Hey guys, what's up? This is Shori from eGadgets for you. And guys, as you have know, I have told in one of the previous videos that my 13 Pro that I have been using for the 2 years, more than 2 years, actually close to 2 years. So yeah, it suddenly got a yellow screen. I had to change the screen, which was costly enough. So I was compelled to sell it. And now I was actually eagerly waiting for a 15 Pro Max. But truth be told, I'm not impressed by it. And even the reviews that are out and even the features that it came out, the colors, it didn't impress me at all. So I had to switch to Android. And yes, I was considering Pixel, but then the Pixel Pro, it also got a price hike like the 15 Pro Max in India. So yeah, I think what will be the best value for money, and yes, yet wait for the 16 Ultra if rumors is to be believed. So yeah, having said that, yesterday there was the launch of this particular smartphone, and I've actually purchased this yesterday itself using HDFC credit cards, and there were some other discounts available, and I have got a bundled offer. For now, the handset and the charger actually came. So yeah, let's unbox it. It will be a quick one, and I'll give you the first hand impressions, find out which particular handset is here. So yes guys, it's from Samsung shop. I have actually purchased this. Let me just go ahead and open this particular packet at first, because I know what is there inside it. It will be very pretty simple and straightforward thing. Okay, the billing, invoices, stuffs like that, and yes, that is it. The USB-C 25-watt charger, as you can see over here very minutely. And yes, along with that, I have actually gone for a bundled offer, like I was telling, with the HDFC cards and all. So there were a lot of things that I've actually purchased. Sorry about that. Yeah, and actually those things did not come yet, but yeah, this is a 25-watt charger that I've actually purchased from the Samsung shop, and this is the look and feel. Yeah, the previous, it's quite different from the previous Samsung wall bricks. So yeah, putting aside this thing, let us go ahead and unbox this particular thing, which is the star of this particular video. Okay, 100% recyclable packet, as it says over here. And guys, this is the reveal of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Mind you, I did a lot of research with the 15 Pro Max. I did a lot of research with Pixel 8 Pro as well. This is something that I have thought that it's an actual value for money, and I'm actually very much eager to go ahead and use this particular handset till maybe 16 Ultra comes out, and then again I need to see. Okay, now let me zoom in a little bit. Yes, it says do not open if seal is broken. So let me go ahead and open the seal. In a way, it's actually replicating Apple, I guess. It says Indian SIM card only, and yes, it's a 256 GB model that I have actually purchased. I cannot see the month and year of manufacturing. I can see blah 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 stuff like that. But where is the storage option? Oh yeah, sorry. Oh yeah, here is a storage option. As you can see, it says 256 GB over here. That is a good feeling. Okay guys, this is unbelievable. And actually the unboxing videos are quite simple nowadays, because you don't get anything inside the box. Put aside the handset for now, there is nothing over here. So yeah, maybe I'll go ahead and open this particular packaging and see. This is the type C to type C cable. That is it. Yeah, as you can see, type C to type C. Apart from that, some literature, documentation, stuff like that, not so much interested. But supposed to give me a SIM ejector too. Oh my god, just see this. Yeah, it's actually here, but you know, yeah, this is a SIM ejector too. That's it. Let me put aside all these things, dig deep into the handset very quickly, because this is the star of the show. So let me go ahead and open this packaging. Yeah, that always feels good, whatever may be the handset. Okay, I am impressed, guys. This is a very well built handset. My god, I never thought of fan edition, although they are not saying it to be a fan edition as of now. It's an FE series, but yeah, I am literally impressed with this. The build quality is awesome. It feels really premium in the hand. That is a good handset, I must say. Made in India, Samsung. I don't love the stickers. And guys, this is a handset, as you can see. So let's go ahead and switch on the handset for the very first time. Okay, Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, powered by Android. And yes, this is a lock button, the volume rockers, as you can see over here. And apart from that, this is a USB type C. The speaker grills over here should be a surround system sound. Oh yeah, actually the SIM slot is over here at the top. And yes, noise cancellation microphones, the 3 cameras with the flash. This is a very good handset, man. I am really impressed. Let us go ahead and set up the handset for the very first time. Insert a SIM card to connect. Oh, this I was waiting for a long time, because let me show you guys. I was using this Samsung Galaxy S F42, which was a 3-year-old handset, and yes, I am so happy and so eager to change my SIM now. So guys, obviously this is a moment of truth, the moment that I have been waiting for the last few months, changing my SIM. Yeah, this is a SIM 1 slot, and over here is a SIM 2 slot. So physical SIM you can actually insert over here, and there is no hybrid slot. So putting inside the SIM, and that's done. Oof, that did feel good. So let me set up this entire phone, and I'll see you soon in the next screen once the setup is fully done. So guys, this is a very first screen once the setup has been completed. It was a pretty straightforward and easy process. And yes, apart from that, I don't see any such bloatwares. And yeah, Microsoft apps, actually I require those, this particular apps for my work and all. So yeah, Google apps, the Samsung apps, although I have not yet created my Samsung account, I don't know whether it will work or not. A little bit of bloatware I can see, but those are actually very easily uninstallable as well. Like for example, I don't need this Samsung browser, so yeah, I can uninstall this particular thing. So this is a very first setup, and before anything else, let us just go to settings. Over here, if we go to about phone, you will see this is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. The bill number and everything is over there. And sorry for that, the software information, it is running on One UI 5.1, an Android version of 13, so not the latest one as of yet. And the system update says 1st June 2023. Maybe it will have some updates, something is downloading, I can see. I'm not sure. Completing setup. Oh yeah, till now the update has not yet come. Let me see, use it for some time, and we will see that if the update comes along or not. And while we are at it, let me set up this particular phone. And yes, I will leave you with some of the camera samples for sure that this particular phone captures. And although, okay, yes, I can see a lot of modes like video. If I go to more, and you will see if I like, yes, over here I can get the pro video, the night mode, food, panorama. So all type of customization options are actually available in this particular handset as well. And the front camera, yeah, so this is a front camera view as well. And apart from that, yeah, let me take some photos, and I'll share the photos as the video ends along. So yeah, this is unboxing and the quick impression, hands-on impression of this particular handset. Hope this was helpful, and I will use it thoroughly for the next few days, and I'll come up with a detailed review highlighting each and every aspect of this particular handset. But again, once again, I must say, holding this particular handset in the hand, it does feel premium. It's a very good build of the FE edition that I can see over here. If the performance is good enough, if the camera can hold up very good, and yes, I think this will be a very exciting and hit edition from Samsung Galaxy. That will be, guys, for this quick unboxing and the quick setup and the quick tour of this particular Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I will use this thoroughly, and I'll come up with a detailed review very soon. Till then, stay subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Bye for now.